it's me, your girl from Eleven Tree Action. So today I will be doing a reaction video about Claudia. I think she's from Grace, and yes, this is my welcome reaction video. Since I do a reaction video, it's been a long time. I think 1 year and a half since I do a reaction video, guys. And yes, since this is my comeback reaction video, I hope you like this reaction video, guys. And to those who stay to my channel, thank you so much, guys. And I will do my best to do a more consistently video to my channel. So yes, without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, guys, so guys, let me know in the comment section of what kind of song it's all about, because I think there's no English subtitle. And yes, she's so very pretty in this video, guys. So
τα χελιδόνια της φωτιάς, θάλασσες κι αβερνούνε του ρίζου μου τα χώματα, ποτέ δεν...
So wait, guys, so as you can see in this video, guys, I think this song, it's kinda emotional, dramatically song. I think behind all the lyrics, I think there's dramatic experience or that she wants to convey through this to this song.
Καραβίνει η ζωή μου που ψάχνει για το γυρισμό, αγέρα το πάνι μου, αστερώματα μου μικρή, γύρε μου να σε πιάσω, τα ξεχασμένα μου φτερά, στέρνα να ξαποστάσω.
Alright, so yes, there you have it, guys. So it's nice here that if there's an English translation so that we can understand the lyrics. But as you can see in her performance, it's kind of an emotional song, something like that. But anyways, guys, she has a beautiful voice and such a singer to bring her out with the stage presence. So she really deserves it, guys. And the singing, voice, orchestra, what else, it's, you know, it's excellent. It's very excellent. Yes, the stage presentation, the choreography, yes, the costume is so simple but yet very elegant, but with it comes with her performance. Yes, she sang it gracefully, beautifully, dramatically, because the way he sang, or the way he sing in that video, guys, I really like how she conveyed the message by her facial expression. So all I can say is that I think this song is very, dramatic, something like that. So yes, let me know in the comment section, guys, what's the meaning of her song. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you like this reaction video, please let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. And if you have any suggestions or recommendations that I going to react, please let me know in the comment section. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye.